What is the constitutional provision most directly challenged in the legal battles against CAA 2019? Article 14, Article 15, Article 19, Article 21.
Article 14. Explanation. The Citizenship Amendment Act, CA, 2019 has been challenged primarily for its discriminatory provisions relating to religious minorities seeking citizenship. The core argument against the CAA centers on the principle of equality before the law, enshrined in Article 14 of the Indian Constitution. The Act, by specifically granting citizenship based on religion, is argued to violate this fundamental right by creating a class-based distinction and treating individuals differently based on their religious identity. This unequal treatment under the law is the fundamental challenge under Article 14. Why other options are less suitable? Article 15 deals with prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. While relevant in the broader context, its specific focus on various prohibited grounds doesn't encompass the core argument of equal treatment against which the CAA was challenged. Article 19 relates to fundamental freedoms, like freedom of speech and assembly. These freedoms weren't the primary focus of the initial legal battles against the CAA. The core challenge involved equal application of citizenship laws, not the limitations on any fundamental freedoms. Article 21 relates to the right to life and personal liberty. While this right has been argued in relation to the CAA's impact on individuals' life and security, the primary challenge was the fundamental right to equality before the law, a facet of Article 14, which is a more foundational argument.